Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Steph. I talk about menswear, fashion and style and do outfit ideas videos and clothing hauls here on my channel. Now I'm back today with a leexh&m collaboration clothing haul. I've got 4 items to show you from the new collection. So I've got a t-shirt, a couple of pairs of jeans and a jacket. Now I'll leave all the items mentioned linked down below, as well as my measurements and the sizes that I bought. And I've got a little surprise for the end of the video. If you're into your vintage denim, vintage workwear, then make sure to stick around for that. I'll be showing you my vintage Lee denim workwear jacket. It's a real kind of collector's piece. I've had it for a number of years, so make sure to stick around for that. I'm not sure if you had a chance to check out the new collection yet, but I really like the look of it when I first saw it online. I thought there were some really cool denim pieces, lots of really nice cotton jersey pieces as well, all sustainably made using environmentally friendly manufacturing processes, use of organic and recycled cotton. So there's a real emphasis on sustainability with this collection. And I got a real kind of vintage denim workwear vibe from some of the denim pieces. I can see they definitely raided the Lee archive, and a bit of a 90s kind of throwback aesthetic to some of the baggier kind of looser shapes and designs. And I really like how H&M do these collaborations. I think it gives their customers the real opportunity to own a piece of these brands at a much more affordable price point. So just to give you an idea, a pair of Lee jeans will normally retail at 100 euros. These are 40. This jacket will normally retail at 120 euros and is 50 in this collection. So a real kind of price difference there. And I love how Lee jeans have come on board and done this collaboration. I've been a big fan of theirs. My first pair of skinny jeans was a pair of Lee jeans back in the day, and I've collected some of their vintage pieces over the years as well. So the first item I picked up is this neon yellow t-shirt. Now there were 2 main colours in the collection. There was this neon yellow and an off-white. Now the neon yellow I thought would be perfect for spring summer, and there's a bit of a trend for neon as well this year. And I really like the look of it against the dark blue denim as well. So I picked it up in a medium, which is my normal size. It definitely fits a bit bigger than a normal medium, I would say. But I suppose it's intended that way. I think it's supposed to be a bit kind of baggier and kind of boxier in shape. It's definitely boxier. It's quite wide across here. The sleeves are a bit longer, and it's got a bit of a thicker kind of crew neck as well, I noticed. I think if you're into slimmer fitting t-shirts, definitely size down. But if you want to wear it, I suppose it was intended, then stick to your normal size. Now it's quite a nice kind of thicker cotton. It's a 240 GSM. I think an average t-shirt is normally 180 to 200. So it's really nice kind of quality. Again, organic, recycled cotton. It's got the Lee logo here on the front and a lot bigger on the back. So a real kind of 90s vibe with this kind of large logo on the back. A bit of history there. But yeah, really nice t-shirt for spring, for summer. I would wear this with some white jeans or some light blue jeans, a pair of Converse or some Vans for just an everyday kind of casual look. So onto jeans, there were 2 different fits in this collection. There was a regular and a relaxed fit, so I picked up both and tried on both to see what they were like. So I've got the regular fit here. It only came in this one wash, which is this kind of mid-blue wash, very kind of casual. It comes with this white Lee patch here on the back, a nice bit of detail and a little bit here on the back pocket as well. Now I went for my normal size, which is a 30-32. I did find they were a little bit bigger than your kind of average 30. They kind of sat a little bit lower on the hips, I suppose, so I could definitely size down with these. Now they're a nice kind of straight leg. I think if you're looking for just a casual kind of pair of jeans, if you're maybe stepping away from the skinnies or the slims and looking for a straight fit, kind of regular fit, then these would definitely be a nice option. Again, made from organic and recycled cotton. They're a nice kind of weighty fabric, weighty denim. So yeah, nice option again for a casual look. So onto the relaxed fit. Now these came in kind of 3 different washes. There was a white, there was this kind of raw denim, dark blue wash, and I think there was a kind of another kind of dark blue wash. But really, really like these. If you're into the workwear look, these are such a nice pair of kind of carpenter style jeans with the contrast stitching. Little Lee logo here on the back pocket again, but I think the best detail in these is definitely this hammer loop here on the leg, and then it comes with these 3 little pockets here on the other leg. I mean, just amazing detail if you're into that kind of workwear look, that kind of vintage denim look. Now these are a straight fit. I've rolled them up on the bottom because I like to wear these with a work boot. I think it looks really nice, but of course you can wear these with trainers, some Vans, some Converse. Really, really nice pair. Again, got them in a 30-32. Now these definitely fit true to a 30 waist, so no need to size down on these. They just sat just about right. And just, yeah, really, really nice pair if you're looking for, again, that kind of vintage denim kind of workwear look, looking for more of a straight cut to wear with work boots, with trainers. Just a really, really nice option. Really big fan of these. I think these are so nice. Yeah, definitely rated the Lee archive with these. Then on to the final item, which is this denim workwear style jacket. Great jacket for spring. I think if you've already got a trucker style denim jacket, you're looking for kind of something a little bit different, this is such a nice style. Very kind of denim workwear, kind of vintage vibe with this one. Again, same with the jeans, you're supposed to kind of wear them together, and I think you can definitely, with this style, wear kind of denim on denim with the same wash, definitely with this style. But yeah, the contrast stitching, it's got the 4 pockets, the brass buttons, the little Lee logo here on the front, just a real beautiful jacket. I'm a big fan of this style. I actually own another one, a vintage one already, which is this one, which if you follow me on Instagram you might have seen me wear a couple of times on there already, but this one's definitely a bit more of a kind of autumn or kind of early spring one. It's got this kind of blanket lining, so a little bit warmer, and this kind of corduroy collar here. So I would say this one is definitely more for spring, for summer. Really nice jacket, retailed at €50. I got it in a medium, totally fine in size. I think you're supposed to wear it, you know, obviously a bit bigger. I think the truckers you can definitely wear a bit more slimmer fitting, but these are definitely meant to be worn a bit baggy, a bit loose, and I think this looks so nice with a long sleeve Henley t-shirt, a flannel shirt like this underneath. Again, with those jeans, some work boots, just a kind of slightly dressier, I suppose, or kind of more dressed up, vintage kind of workwear vibe. Now, not part of the collection, but I also picked up these Suede Mules, or kind of slip-on shoes. I suppose they're sort of like a house shoe, or perhaps like a slipper. That's definitely how I'm going to use them, but they're kind of very similar to the Birkenstock style. They've got this kind of cork sole here, really comfortable in this real suede. These were $27.99, and I thought these worked really well with the carpenter jeans, with that kind of workwear look, but equally will work with kind of any look, especially if you're just kind of wearing them around the house. But yeah, I thought a nice little pair. I've seen these quite a few websites popping up as well, on Mango, on Zara, so I think a bit of a trend for this style shoe, perfect for spring, summer, easy, just kind of slip-on style shoe. Just wanted to mention as well, with size, I'm normally UK 10, they don't do a 10 on H&M website, which I think is really weird, so if you're a 10 you've got to go for a 9.5, because that's the equivalent to the EU size 44, so yeah, I made that mistake of kind of going for the size up, which was too big. Not with these, but with the previous pair. But yeah, I would say if you're UK 10, go for the 9.5. I also wanted to mention shoes, the shoes that I've used to style these clips here on the side with. So a work boot is a definite kind of must with this vintage workwear vibe. These are an old pair from Polo Ralph Lauren, but something like a Red Wing boot, which I know are quite expensive, but you can definitely find kind of similar styles on ASOS. They've got a great selection, a really wide selection on there. I always look for shoes and boots and things like that on ASOS. So yeah, work boot goes really well with this style. And then I also used a white trainer, these Puma Ralph Samson ones, which I've had since last summer. Really like these, really like the little blue strip here. I think goes really well with all the blue denim, but you can get different colors. Really nice, really comfortable. I would say I kind of made the mistake of sizing up with this one. I thought for some reason that Adidas and Pumas kind of ran a bit smaller than say Nikes and Reeboks, but I would say definitely stay to your size with this one. But as well, Vans or Converse would go really well with this look. Now in terms of accessories for styling, I think a brown leather belt goes so nice. I've got this vintage one here with this brass buckle. I think the brass goes so nice with all the buttons from the jackets. So yeah, I would get a brown leather belt if you can with a brass buckle. I think goes really nice with this look. Then a little bandana around the neck as well. Real kind of vintage workwear vibe. This is just a paisley style. I've just rolled it up really thin. Wear it with the t-shirt, maybe just tuck in the ends there. I think it makes for a really nice kind of look. Then in terms of bag, I've got just a canvas tote bag here. And this is a vintage one. It's kind of an upcycled one from old Carhartt jackets, but yeah, really nice. Zara actually have a few similar styles on the website at the minute, so I'll leave those linked down below. But yeah, I think it's just kind of casual style tote bag in this kind of workwear style kind of Carhartt fabric. It's a great one as well for this look. And then finally, fisherman beanie is also a great one. I've got this little one here from ASOS Design. That's sort of my go-to for fisherman beanies. I think they're a really nice shape. So yeah, fisherman beanie would be my last kind of accessory to style this look with. Then as promised, here is my vintage Lee denim workwear jacket, the one I've had for years, the one I promised you guys at the start of the video. Now this is from the 1950s. I did a bit of research online and I saw one really similar on Pinterest. They called it a barn jacket from the 50s, and yeah, it's just a really beautiful jacket with the original kind of Lee logo there. You've got the brass buttons, the pockets, all the contrast stitching. I mean, beautiful detail on the sleeve there as well. And it's just a real kind of gem. I actually don't really wear this one as much as the other one that I showed you previously, but when you look at this and you look at the H&M one, I mean, they've really copied it. Kind of, it's just really true to the original design. You can see all the pockets there are the same, the sleeve detail, you know, the contrast stitching, where the logo is and everything. So they've really kind of looked at their archive to produce this. collaboration one. So yeah, a real kind of collector's piece. Kind of so happy to have this one. I picked it up from a shop on Brick Lane a number of years ago, and yeah, it's just, I think, one of those kind of collector's items and pieces that I'll just keep for forever, or until I'm kind of ready to sell it maybe at some point in the future. So those are all 4 items. Let me know your thoughts, any comments. If you guys picked anything up from the collection, any favorites, any items you didn't like so much, let me know in the comment section down below. I've also written a blog post on the collection that has some of my favorite pieces and some styling ideas, so I'll leave that linked down in the description box. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and to subscribe. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll leave all those details linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.